Tabletop displays are incredibly versatile and increasingly popular. Today, in this video, we're highlighting the features and benefits of 4 tabletop displays: the Regina, the Prescott, the London Tabletop, and the Geneva Tabletop. Let's start with the Regina, our desktop retractable with the smallest graphic size of 11 inches wide by 17 inches high. The stand is lightweight and visually appealing, available in a silver finish and chrome effect end caps. The printed graphic attaches to the adhesive top bar and the adhesive leader. The Regina is compatible with the traditional 13-ounce banner stand media, although lighter display films and even some synthetic papers will work too. Due to its smaller size, it's best not to use anything too heavy. The Regina's size and applications mean that it does not require or include a carry bag. However, the individual box in which it's packaged can be repurposed for transport. Next up, we have the variable height retractable banner stand. This one's actually a hybrid with tabletop and floor standing applications. The Prescott achieves varying heights by using modular pole sections for 4 different graphic heights. We'll link the product video with all the details in the caption below. In keeping on theme, the Prescott as a tabletop offers 2 graphic sizes, both 15 3/4 wide, with the option to display at 15 3/4 high or 31.5 inches high. It includes a top clamp bar and a carry bag. As for media, lighter weight products are best suited up to a 13-ounce banner, and we recommend a print media such as Galaxy Max Flat or ProBlock 300. Choose the desktop retractable when space is limited and you require maximum graphic impact in a compact format. Think reception desks and retail stores. Use the variable height retractable banner stand when you're looking for larger graphic heights or for greater visual presence, or for a choice of graphic sizes. Think trade shows and showroom spaces. For larger tabletop graphic sizes and alternate widths, choose the London Tabletop, our best-selling entry-level retractable banner stand. The smallest graphic size of 22 inches wide by 28 inches high offers more than 3 times the amount of graphic space that our desktop retractable offers. Plus, the London Tabletop is available in 2 larger graphic sizes. It is offered in a silver finish with 2 twist-out feet for added stability. It includes a carry bag and a top clamp bar. At an affordable price point, the London Tabletop is a good option for displaying graphics on a budget. To unlock a range of widths, telescopic heights, and a choice of a padded or premium carry bag or hardshell travel case, choose the Geneva Tabletop. Our premium retractable banner stand is offered in a silver finish with chrome effect end caps and a wider, stable base for a polished and sophisticated appearance. One of the biggest differences with the Geneva Tabletop is the interchangeable base. We consider the interchangeable base to be an upgrade from the standard tape-in base because the hook and loop graphic attachment facilitates multiple graphic changes. This means that you can bring the display back for new graphics as often as needed and save the cost of buying new hardware each time. The economy London Tabletop makes a great entry-level stand for larger visual impact on a budget. For a touch of class and extra durability, consider the Geneva Tabletop, which provides customizability, larger graphic sizes, and interchangeable graphics. All of these displays can be used in various tabletop applications such as reception areas, at trade shows, in retail settings, and anywhere floor space is limited. Ensure your message is clearly visible at eye level with the help of a tabletop display. Check us out at frontline-na.com for more information, to view our full product line, or contact us with any questions or inquiries. Thanks for watching.